Remdesivir is a drug used to cure Ebola, but it is now being repurposed as a cure for COVID-19. The World Health Organization called it the most promising candidate to help us heal the disease. However, clinical results are needed, and we must wait for those for a short while. The executives of Gilead, the pharmaceutical company that is repurposing the drug, expect the first clinical data to be released soon. However, even then, more testing could be necessary. Coletra is a drug used for HIV treatment, and it is also being repurposed in hopes of helping to slow down the spread of the novel coronavirus. The first results did not seem that helpful. However, the World Health Organization said that they would conduct another more extensive study that will include this drug, and it might prove useful against COVID-19 after all. These drugs are both used for arthritis and are now used on COVID-19 patients in hopes of them being able to help. These drugs should supposedly inhibit a biological mechanism that might be driving an inflammatory response in their lungs, which could prove to help calm down the virus. Both of the drugs are undergoing clinical tests, and we should be getting a definitive answer soon. This method of treatment uses the blood plasma of COVID-19 patients who already recovered from the disease. This blood plasma contains antibodies that can fight the virus and might be able to fight other sick patients. When the plasma gets transferred to a new patient, it could trigger an immune response and fight off the virus. Several trials of this method were already made and have shown positive results. Chloroquine is an old malaria drug that has the potential to become our biggest hope in the COVID-19 coronavirus treatment. It was suggested by US President Donald Trump several times for having the potential to fight off the pandemic, and the United States have now stockpiled large amounts of the drug. There is also a prescribed version of this drug called hydroxychloroquine. Neither of them still have clinical evidence of being able to help against the novel coronavirus, but further tests need to be made. Avigan is a drug that is used to treat influenza, and it managed to outperform other antiviral medicines while being tested for its efficiency against the novel coronavirus. The drug is undergoing a large number of tests currently, and further results should be coming soon. So far, we know that the medication helped COVID-19 patients to recover faster and reduced some of their symptoms. TAC-888 is a special hyperimmune globulin that should be developed by Japan's biggest pharmaceutical company. They are currently looking into ways to produce it from the blood of COVID-19 patients, and if they succeed, it will be a significant step forward in our fight against the virus. There is hope that this plasma product will be available for all patients by the end of the year. This antibody treatment is developed by Indianapolis drug maker Eli Lilly in collaboration with AbCellera. They are planning to start testing this treatment by the end of July, and it should be able to help fight the COVID-19 coronavirus in humans. They managed to identify more than 500 antibodies in humans that could defeat the virus, and now all that it takes are further tests. These are a different antibody treatment being developed in San Francisco by Vir Biotechnology. They are working on several projects related to the novel coronavirus in collaboration with many other pharmaceutical companies. They didn't provide a timetable on when they expect their research to be done, but they are supposedly working on selecting the best drug candidate to start human trials.